My name is Anna.
It's a nice name, man.
I'm a woman filmmaster.
Marry me. You sound like my ex-wife.
Never compare me to another woman.
I apologize for that. I will
Good.
remember.
I'm gonna make him suffer.
46,000. What?
But you followed your.
You think I was?
You must be pretty good.
You think I wasn't? Yeah, I wasn't invited here if I didn't have those followers.
Yeah.
You think I was born yesterday?
Yeah.
Dina, Belankaya.
What's that over
Is that how
there?
you say it?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi.
Hello.
What's your name?
I have many names.
Many names. Which is the most popular?
Depends who you're talking to. What's your name?
Carlini, what's his name?
Cobra Chris. Cobra Chris.
Cobra Chris.
Oh, Chris.
Yeah.
I've never heard that
This
name.
is something you
I think
put
they
in
made that
the,
up.
Nice to meet you, Cobra Chris.
Nice to meet you as well.
Bam ba bam 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 ba bam 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 ba bam bam bam.
Oh, this is
New. Okay,
Wait, what was your name?
Dina.
No, it's not.
Anna.
I know all the girls' names. You're not there.
Anna.
Gotcha.
My name is Anna.
It's a nice name, man.
Yeah. I'm a woman filmmaster.
Oh, what?
My both parents are
That's not even a
grandmasters. Correct. That's what I tell her. Interesting. How about this?
Very. That's nice. You can dance. You
Yeah.
got your shoes on?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
It's coming.
You're a good dancer?
No.
Gonna
No,
show me
I
a
got
couple of tricks?
I got two left feet.
Two of you?
2 left feet.
Two left feet.
Listen.
You got two
Your Jedi
left
mind
feet.
tricks don't work here. Come on. Bush League tactics. Stop it.
You got two left feet.
Yeah. Better than 2 right feet.
Where are you from?
Here, there, somewhere.
You're local?
I could be. I'm locally respected, internationally unknown. But
You're internationally local.
yeah, but we're working on that.
You're,
All right.
you working on your green card?
No.
I'm working on that.
Are
Working
you?
on that. I am. Always.
I'll marry you. 50,000. No, I'm just kidding.
Ah, no, that's too easy. Way too easy. I don't like easy ways.
Don't make it
Must be complicated.
complicated. It's good.
Yeah.
You sound like my ex-wife. All right. Hey,
Never compare me to another woman.
I apologize for that. I will
Good.
remember.
Good. First lesson learned.
Marry me. Marry me. No, I'm just kidding.
Bad try.
Yeah, no. Had to though.
You gotta use another chance.
Another chance.
Beat me at chess and I'll consider it.
See, I don't know. I should do this to you. What do I
Show
got?
me your level. Show me your guns.
My guns. I got 2 of them. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna try some Bush League
Whoa.
tactics.
This is Bush League.
A little bit.
This is a total bush league.
Thoughting.
You want this?
Are you thinking and thoughting? Or
You,
planning
you
and
want
plotting?
this?
You know what?
Take
You know
it.
what I want. You're a player. You see it.
Yeah.
Should wear detergent.
I will. I ordered a blue chip last night. Wait, did I? No, I didn't.
Second sip of the light.
I'll just run and hide.
Not rocket.
No, don't want to do that.
I can wear
Just
whatever I
run and
want.
hide
No,
this
but
way.
like, is it
You sure?
Yeah. Kinda.
You can take it back.
I could.
Yeah.
You want to pick my pocket?
Of course.
Come on. You got
Alright,
it.
it's too late. I gave you a chance.
Yeah, no.
Not giving you a second one.
That's a good one. I like that.
Never give them second chance.
You're absolutely right.
They cheated once, they'll cheat twice.
Wait, did you just say it? She should lecture about that.
Why don't you do it against that?
You know how it goes. Sometimes my trash talking is off limits.
I mean, you kind of opened the door for that.
How about this?
That's a good one.
Yeah.
I like it. You could do better though.
Yeah.
That's a lovely shirt, by the way.
You too. Really love this one.
Orange is in your color.
Huh?
What? Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. I like beige. Very nice with flowers. You look like Hikaru Nakamura.
Right?
That guy over there.
That's definitely Bush League tactics.
Yeah. I like your hat.
Thank you.
Almost as good as this one.
It's better actually. Mine's magical.
You sure about that?
Yeah, I'm pretty positive.
I can give you another take back.
No, it's okay.
You don't want to take back?
No, man.
You want to stand for your words like a real man?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks.
That's a good move.
Live and die on your own sword, right?
And take. Pardon?
You heard me.
Ah, you heard
Living
me.
what?
There you
What
go.
did he say?
Live and die on
With a
your
pink
own
hat,
sword.
don't worry.
Yeah.
He's
Living-
got a pink hat.
Live and die on your own sword.
Live and die on your own sword.
That's what I taught her.
She's got the sword of Damocles hanging above her.
Live and
Don't
die
know
on your
what
own
that is.
sword.
You know what that means?
Absolutely not. Like Japanese.
Yeah.
Nice. You're Japanese?
No.
Okay. Just check.
Would you like me to be Japanese?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I would love to. Never been to Asia.
I'm missing out.
Yeah. I mean, I was in India.
That's Asia.
Wasn't chess infected? That's what they say.
In Nepal, darling. Chess
Nepal?
was invited in Nepal.
There's no real record of it.
There is. Check.
I'm trying to think.
Man, you were on 1 minute on the clock.
I got it.
Chess was created when Paul Morphy was born.
Do you want me to slow down or should I be too fast?
No, you're
I would
good.
like to see.
You're good.
What do you say, boys? Should we have some fun?
I can't
Fun's
help
good.
you, Dina. Remember the last
Fun's
time?
good.
Okay.
All work and no play make Jack a dull boy, right? Or Anna, in this case. Sorry.
Who?
Exactly.
You said who? I'm checking on my options.
Checking's good. Check it out.
I got plenty of them.
Gotcha.
I want to make
You do have plenty of
nice.
options. You got a lot of options.
Here.
A lot of different options. A lot of different options.
I want to go here.
That's a good one to go to. I'm just gonna move little tiny moves.
Okay, we gotta do it. We want to have fun, right, boys?
I can't help you. If I help you, you
do
remember the last
sacrifice.
time?
Let's go.
There you go.
Live and die on your own sword.
Good.
There should be a law. There's no law.
Yeah. You gonna get some fun. Move up. You gotta move up. You're going down on time. You gotta move. Check.
Thank you. Sorry.
It's okay. Keep your pieces. This is funny.
Hilarious even.
You wanna take his back?
No? You can do it.
It's okay.
Yeah.
He lives and dies on his own sword.
Yeah, there's some sort of sword thing going on. I don't know.
All right. Is that that moment
It is that moment.
when you're pausing the video? Stop wasting your time with random opening traps. They don't make you a better chess player. What does? One-on-one guidance, group classes, and a complete training program designed specifically to your level. Try my Russian chess school for free for 7 days and see for yourself.
Huh?
Actually, it's not that quick.
It's what?
Yeah, you got that one. But it's only made. I mean, it depends. It depends.
Depends.
It depends. We'll
Depends.
take it.
Isn't it?
Yeah, tough choice. Yeah, that's the best option. That's your best option. But you know what? I'm not greedy.
Not greedy,
You're not?
she
I'm
says.
I'm not greedy.
That's good.
I'm gonna make him suffer.
Oh, no. Oh, Dina, come on. Dina, not this.
Gonna make him suffer.
You made me suffer. Good game. Good game.
Nice. GG's.